Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix DHCP is not enabled for Wi-Fi error in Windows 11, 10. First method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Change DNS server addresses. Second method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open DHCP client, change startup type to automatic, click start, click apply, click OK, restart the service. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Uninstall network adapter. Fourth method is click Start, Settings. Click Reset now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.